Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring practical exercises to help you build self-confidence. Whether you're gearing up for a big presentation or just want to feel better about yourself every day, these 7 tips are for you. The last 3 tips will be very effective, so stay tuned until the very end. Let's start with power poses. This is a simple and quick way to boost your confidence instantly. Research shows that holding a power pose for just 2 minutes can increase feelings of confidence and reduce stress. Tony Robbins has his audience do this before every conference he does to get everyone in the right frame of mind. Try it before a big meeting or anytime you need a quick boost. Power poses can be a game changer for your mindset and how you present yourself to the world. However, it's also crucial to develop a lasting sense of self-efficacy through consistent actions by setting and achieving small, specific goals that will help you build a track record of success and build your confidence. Next up, visualization. This technique involves imagining yourself succeeding in your goals and feeling confident. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals. See yourself speaking confidently, completing tasks successfully, and handling challenges with grace. Visualization helps train your brain to anticipate success, making it easier to act confidently in real situations. To enhance this, practice learned optimism by disputing negative thoughts and replacing them with positive, hopeful narratives. Another powerful exercise is practicing daily gratitude. Focusing on what you're thankful for can shift your mindset and improve self-confidence. Each morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple habit can make a big difference in how you perceive yourself in your life. It can be as simple as, I'm grateful for waking up today, or I'm grateful for the beautiful weather. As time goes on, your list will deepen and become much more meaningful to you. Gratitude helps you focus on the positives in your life, boosting your mood and self-esteem. Additionally, expressing gratitude to others can strengthen your relationships, providing vital social support. Fun fact, did you know that research shows that practicing daily gratitude has many mental and physiological health benefits? Human beings are mind and body machines, therefore practicing self-care is extremely important and cannot be overlooked. Taking time to care for your physical and mental health reinforces your self-worth. Find activities that make you feel good and prioritize them. Exercise, healthy eating, meditation, and hobbies can all enhance your sense of well-being and confidence. Regular physical activity not only improves your mood, but also increases brain function and mental health, contributing to a stronger sense of self-efficacy and resilience. What about positive self-talk? How you speak to yourself matters more than you might realize. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop and reframe those thoughts. Replace, I can't do this with, I can handle this and I'm not good enough with, I am capable and worthy. Positive self-talk can transform your inner dialogue and boost your confidence from the inside out. Identifying and using your signature strengths can also enhance this practice. Another great way to build confidence is by learning and practicing new skills. Whether it's a professional skill or a personal hobby, gaining proficiency in something new can give your confidence a significant boost. Start with something you've always wanted to learn. It could be anything from cooking a new recipe to learning a new language or taking a coding course. The key is to challenge yourself and enjoy the process of learning. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your abilities can develop through dedication and hard work. Lastly, it's important to accept and celebrate your strengths. Everyone has unique talents and qualities that make them special and who they are. Take some time to identify your strengths. Write them down and remind yourself of them regularly. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and acknowledge your progress. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement. See you next time. Stay confident and keep shining.